kissing his face? Is it going on today?
I think so. Squirt more juice?
Ma.
Juice for you and I'll get one.
Ma.
One for Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I think I'll get this big one, huh?
Little one.
Okay. Would you like some pop?
Pa.
No, I brushed my teeth.
Oh,
Have some later, baby.
pop. Oh, I call him pop. I mean, Daddy. Mommy, you want some? Sure. That's a great.
See?
Is there juice in there? Yeah. You want the juice? Now, let's see. Now this is a big one.
Oh.
Yeah, would you like this one?
Yeah.
More juice?
Let's go to Mama's car. Mom has a new baby seat in her car for Sophie. It's a pink one.
Baby.
It's for baby Sophie.
Baby. Oh.
Down here. There's Sophie's seat. Let's peel up and see it.
Okay.
That'll be for Caden.
Alfie.
And Sophie. Okay, are you ready to come up and sit on it?
Ma.
Yes.
Ma.
You want me to?
Dada.
Overestimate.
Dada. Dada.
Yeah, that's the dad.
Now, it's a little big. How's that? That looks pretty good. What do you think? Why don't you check it or let Jorge check it? Is it good? Here's a place for your cup.
There we go.
Yeah, I think it's going to be in a way more tiring, Jorge, but easier to manage because they're both walking and running and learning to play together. It's not like I have to carry one and walk with the other one. The hardest thing will be their naps. Just saying which one's napping and which one's not. But I've got 3 plans for that. Oh, yeah. Oops. You okay? Okay.
Oh, Joey. Oh, Joey.
All
Brush
dirty.
the dirty off. I brushed it off.
You going up? Are we going in?
In? Okay.
Train.
That's there.
Train.
There's a train.
Train.
Okay.
Train.
Train. Yes, ma'am.
Train.
Train. Oh. No, it's in there. Ooh. There's some buses and tractors and cars and motorbikes.
Airplane.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Motorbike. Oh, I see the yellow splinters.